You've been bored these school holidays, looking for something to do? Then bring your friends and family down to Raw Sound Summer Australia Day. Make sure you're here Sunday the 26th of January, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. between the Alex Surf Club and the Alex Skate Park.
When I look back
At Raw Sound Summer Australia Day, there'll be plenty of activities with an egg and spoon race, Australia Day themed obstacle course, inflatable obstacle courses, and much more, with Australia Day prizes for best dressed character.
away, and I said, hey, you, is the Milky Way something you could get into? Cause my ship's got room for two.
Bring your skateboard down to the skate park and listen to some live music. We'll have market stalls, strumming circles, a photo booth, and the Triple J chill out zone. Raw Sound Summer Australia Day artists include Emma Rumble, Mason Hope, India Ryan Knight, The Perrys, Taylor Payne, Kyle Barner, Hobo Magic, Ryan Delaney, Asher Chapman, and Solar.
The brightest moon. With this hyperdrive, there's nothing we can't do. So hit ignition, babe, and we'll be blowing away. Here with these stars so close, the sky's as bright as day. And I said, hey, hun, how'd you feel about the setting sun? Cause